to Computer Experts and the video series of Excel. Today I will start with the basics of Microsoft Excel. For this, first of all, type the Excel in the search box of Windows. In my system, 2019 version of Excel is installed. So I'm opening this one. So here certain options are there. You can try this the opening screen which is visible when you're opening the Excel for the first time. So this is the workbook. The name of the workbook is book 1. If you're saying this with another name, then the name of book 1 will change. For example, I am here changing it to save as. Now it's asking where you want to save it. I want to save it on the desktop. And now let's make it to the basics basics of MS Excel and then click on save. Now the workbook or the file will be saved on the desktop. This is the file button of the Excel. Here are certain options over there, and these are called the tabs. This is the formula tab and certain other tabs. Here, all the options of these tabs are totally different from each other, which we'll see later. So these tabs are showing the options in the ribbon, right? If you double click on the home tab, then it will get hidden, and if you double click again, then it will get visible. Likewise, you can try on other tabs also. On Excel screen, you are able to see certain rows and columns. This alphabetical thing which is shown on the screen, like ABCD, these are called the columns. And if you click any of the alphabet, then the whole column is getting selected. The numeric shown on the left hand side are the rows, and if you click on any of the numeric, then the particular row will get selected. And I'm moving my cursor on the screen. This is shown, the name is shown in the name box. Okay, name of the cell shown here is E5. We are having two scroll bars, one is vertical one and another is horizontal. Right now I'm clicking on the vertical scroll bar, and if you're typing something and clicking on the vertical scroll bar, you will get to the downwards of the screen. And if you will click on the upper arrow of the vertical scroll bar, then it will move to the upwards. Likewise, if you're clicking on the right arrow of the horizontal scroll bar, then it will move forward. And similarly, if you will click on the left arrow of the horizontal scroll bar, then it will move backward on the screen. So you can try it on and see, find out how it is working. These are the sheets already there, right? And you can change the name of the sheet also by double clicking on the sheet, and there's little plus button here. If you click on this, then the new sheet will get added to the workbook, and the collection of sheets are called the workbook. Like I'm changing the name of this sheet to the basics. Here we will add some of the data by typing into the particular cell. For example, I'm writing here serial number, cost, sale, and then profit. You can, so we'll select here the range, and then we will add borders to it by selecting the particular type border which you want. So I am choosing here the all border option. So this home tab are showing some formatting options which you can try later. Let's click on the A button, which will increase the font of the selected area. selected cells. So I'm entering some of the data over here. These are the serial numbers which is being entered here. Let's enter some of the data in the sheet. So we are just inserting one column also here for name, and then the stick goes to 1 lakh and the sale to 1 lakh 20,000. Profit here comes to be 20,000. Profit comes to 20,000. Let's use the format printer command over here. For this, first of all, select the cell on which you want to copy the formatting, and then double click on the format printer button, and then select the cell on which you apply the same formatting, right? Now, now let's use the formatting by clicking on the format printer button. Save the file, and now you can increase and decrease the font according to your choice. You can change the font, you can increase the font size, and now you can click to make the text left, center, and or right. There is this command which is margin center. For this, I am creating one of the text to show you this command. Just type here something like basics of Microsoft Excel. Just type and then select the cells in which you want to left and center. Just to change the color of the cell, change the font also. Now select the cells in which you want to margin center. Then click on margin center. In this way, you can do the formatting in your MS Excel sheet. I hope you now understood the basics of Microsoft Excel. Now just save the file to your desktop and name it as you wanted. Then click on save. Do you want to overwrite it? Yes, because I've already saved this file, so we are just overwriting this again. Thanks for watching and stay connected for further videos of the channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to Computer Experts. In this video, we'll see how to make a list in MS Excel. For this, first of all, open the Excel. Now the type Excel in the search box. I'm having Excel 2019 in my system. Now open the blank workbook. Here we will make a list in MS Excel. Okay. For example, we are having certain products out there. Product 1. Just copy it. Okay, maybe we are having the 16 products out here. I want to make one list whether these are good, excellent or not. So here create one list. Excellent, very good, good. After that maybe enter not so good or poor, extremely poor, extremely, extremely poor. वैसे इतना extremely poor होता नहीं है. So let's make it. Now save this. Save on the desktop. Write here the name list. Save. Okay, so we will start here. This is the name of the product. Here's the rating of the product. Now what we'll do is let's make it bold, red. Now we'll freeze out the area. Take the border. From here to here. Freeze the area. Click on Data tab. And then click on Data tools are there. There's a little triangle. Click on this one and click on Data Validation. Now here certain options are there. So you have to just click on the validation criteria, which is now we will click here the list. This is the source. Okay, we want the source out here. Now select the range to make a list, and the source has been filled up. Now click on OK. After that, the list box has been created in the Excel sheet, and now you can click on the little arrow and find out the desired text to be filled up in the cell. In this way, you can make your custom list. In Microsoft Excel, it's very magical trick which you can use in MS Excel. other sheet to some other place. Okay, now if you're just copying it, still you're able to enter the data into this. Okay, and now I'm changing some of the text here. Third class. Okay, now I want to change the list. We can change again, select the range, click on the data tools, validation, variations में source को select करेंगे, again expand कर लेंगे, ओके करेंगे. यहाँ पे देखिए, देखो यहाँ पे आपके पास अब थर्ड क्लास का भी ऑप्शन आ गया. Wow, it's extremely magical option I have seen. In this way, you can enter the data and can minimize the typing error into the Excel sheet. And I hope now you have understood how to create a list in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. If you have liked the video, then press the like button. And those who are new to the channel, consider subscribing our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for not missing any updates about this channel. That's all for today. Me, Suman, signing off from Computer Experts. Hello everyone, welcome back to Computer Experts. In this video, we are going to see how to apply the VLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. For this, open the Excel in your system. I have already created one file in my system. आप देख पा रहे हैं यहाँ पे कुछ डेटा है स्क्रीन पे. सो इसमें VLOOKUP फार्मूला ऑलरेडी आई हैव अप्लाइड, उसको आप देख सकते हैं. So I have created one data list here. कंप्यूटर एक्सपर्ट्स की प्लेलिस्ट के अंदर आप एक वीडियो देख सकते हैं जिसमें बताया गया है हाउ टू अप्लाई द डेटा लिस्ट. Right after making the data list in the Excel, just type all the data over here. So the formula is equal to VLOOKUP bracket starts and then click on A18, comma, select the range on which you want to apply the VLOOKUP, then comma, then type here 3 because we want to access the data of third column, that is the law over here, and then press comma and then press 0 and close the bracket. Right now you're able to see here Olio is having 44 marks in the law subject, which you can verify from here. Hello everyone, welcome back to Computer Experts. In this video we are going to see how to create a chart in Microsoft Excel. For this, first of all, open the Excel. I'm having 2019 version of Excel in my system, so let's start making a chart in the Microsoft Excel. You can open any of the version which you're having in your laptop. Alright, so we'll start here creating a chart. Just type all the data. So I'm just copy paste here. So just double click on this one. Now select the range of which you want to have the chart. Then click on insert. So certain options are coming. I will try with the column chart, that is 2D column chart. Just simply drag over to the blank location and then stretch it out from the corner, and the two arrow represents here that you can just modify the chart. You just enhance the width and the height of the chart. See, it's changing. Now you can just change the chart styles, like you can change this one, this green, this blue. Okay, also the layouts can be changed like this. Whatsoever you prefer, you can just change it. So let's change the chart type. So the let's try this pie chart. Okay, so here also you can change the color, style, design. The layout also can be changed. Personally, I prefer this one. Here, every color is depicting a certain data of this, so you can just change it out. Likewise, you can also change or switch the row and column. Okay, that's all in this video. Goodbye and good luck. Hello everyone, welcome back to Computer Experts. In this video series of Excel, today I will tell you how to find out the duplicate values in Microsoft Excel sheet. For this, open your Microsoft Excel. I have already created one file of Excel on my desktop. I will open this file. Here you are able to see certain values. The two lists of mobile numbers and the names are also written here. I just want to find out whether the numbers are same or they're just coinciding. They're just duplicating each other. Okay. For this, what you can do is take the help of the conditional formatting. Then go to the home tab and then click on the conditional formatting. Little triangle is there. Here certain rules are there which you can apply for your particular need, but right now I'm just telling you only to find out the duplicate values. Okay, for this just click on the highlight cell rules and then click on the duplicate values. Okay, and then from here you have to click on duplicate. Okay, and then any of the formatting which you're wanting, you can select the formatting like light red color with the font. Okay, let's try this. Click on OK. For this, first of all, you have to select the range. Let's try again. If you will not select the range, then it will not happen. Okay, remember this. Okay, just select the area. Then again try. Okay, for this, what you're doing, click on the conditional formatting. Then again click on highlight cell rules and then click on duplicate values. Okay, now the values are highlighted here. Okay, now you don't like the color of this. Okay, you can also change the formatting from here, like the green fill with dark text, and then click on OK. See, this number is the duplicate of this number. In this way, we can find out the duplicate values. Also, if you want to find out the unique values, then also you can use the same trick. Okay, right? For this, go to the home tab. Again, click on the conditional formatting and then click on the highlight cell rules. Then click on the duplicate values, right? Here, instead of the duplicate, now you have to click on the unique to find out obviously the unique values and then click on OK. This is not happening because you have to first clear out the formatting which you have already done in this. Again, for this you have to just select the data range and then click on the conditional formatting, and here one option is there of clear rules from selected cells. When you will clear, all the previous formatting will be cleared from your sheet. And then again, if you select the data, okay, and you're trying to find out the unique values, then click on the conditional formatting tab, click on this highlight cell rules, and then click on duplicate values. In under the duplicate value tools, you are getting one option of unique. Click on unique and then click on OK. All the unique items are highlighted. There's so much of unique item. Okay, so in this way you can find out your unique or duplicate values by using the conditional formatting option in the Microsoft Excel. Okay, so I hope you have understood what I've taught you today. Stay connected for all the further videos of this channel. Until then, goodbye and good luck. Hello you all there, welcome back to Computer Experts. In this video, I will tell you how to use the Draw tab in Microsoft Excel. For this, first of all, open the Excel. You can find the Draw tab in the ribbon in Word, Excel and PowerPoint. If it's not there, then you have to edit manually. Whether you are using a digital pen, touchscreen or a mouse, the Draw feature in the MS Office helps you to add notes, create shapes and edit the text and much more. If you're not able to find the Draw tab in the ribbon, then right click on the ribbon and click on customize the ribbon. Here make sure to check the Draw tab. Find out the Draw tab in the RHS column. See here I'm showing you how to do this. प्लस के सिंबल को जैसे ही एक्सपेंड करेंगे तो आपको सारे ऑप्शंस विजिबल हो जाएंगे. जो ऑप्शंस आपको लेना हो वो आप उसको सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज सारे ऑप्शंस को सिलेक्ट करके ओके पे क्लिक कर दीजिए. ओके right, in this way you can add the Draw tab, and after adding it you will find certain options. Start with a pen. You will select on the pen and draw the shape. You can show your creativity here in Excel, Word, PowerPoint. ऑफ कोर्स कलर भी चेंज कर सकते हैं आप. जो भी कलर इसमें विजिबल है उसको सिलेक्ट करके कोई भी शेप आप उसमें ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम ड्राइंग हियर द स्टार. इरेजर का यूज़ करके किसी भी चीज़ को डिलीट भी कर सकते हैं. Like I'm deleting here the star. First of all, select the tick, shape or text whatsoever is there, select and delete. Click on eraser, it will get deleted. You can use the highlighter also to highlight the text in whatsoever manner. Likewise पेंसिल को यूज़ करके भी आप कुछ भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. ओके टेक्स्ट भी एंटर कर सकते हैं. लाइक आई एम राइटिंग हियर ABC. Now click on into math option. Here you can write mathematical equations. Like I'm writing here x square plus y square equal to something something. It's very cool feature to write mathematical equations in Excel.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance, you can tell.
Alright, experts, in this video we will see how to make a list in MS Excel. For this, first of all, open the Excel. Now to type in Excel in the search box. Hello everyone, welcome back to Computer Experts. In this video, we will see one interesting topic of Excel, which is flash fill. Here on the screen, we are having three cells, which is first name, middle name, and the last name. Here we will concatenate first name and last name. We will type here Malhotra Siddharth, means first last name पहले और first name बाद में. By pressing Ctrl E, the corresponding last name and first name will get filled in that particular column. And in the third type of flash fill, we will press Ctrl E after that. Then the complete column will get filled with the first name only. Right, in the fourth type of flash fill, we will write here the middle name, and flash fill will see the sequence and it will fill only the middle name by pressing Ctrl E. Right. In the next type of flash fill, we will write here only the last name into the cell and we will press Ctrl E. Then only the last name will get filled in that particular column by using the flash fill. Right. Instead of pressing the Ctrl E, you can also use the option of flash fill from the data tab. Open the data tab and then click on the flash fill to use this magical trick, right? This interesting feature of flash fill will save you lots of time particularly when your sheet is very large and here you have to autofill the whole of the Excel sheet. In the third type of flash fill, we will concatenate first name, middle name and the last name. We will write here Siddharth और Malhotra. तो फ्लैश फिल क्या करेगा, इसके सीक्वेंस को देखते ही फर्स्ट नेम, मिडिल नेम एंड लास्ट नेम को फिल कर देगा कॉलम के अंदर. लेकिन करेगा कैसे? बाय प्रेसिंग द कंट्रोल ई. You will get this magical trick here, right? Just press here the Control E. By pressing Control E, the corresponding first name, middle name, and the last name will get filled in that particular column in which you have pressed Control E, right? So now we will try the another feature of flash fill. We can prefix any of the column with Mr. or Mrs. whatsoever you want. In the next type of flash fill, we will prefix the last name with Mr. Like we will write here Mr. Malhotra by typing Mr. Malhotra and by pressing the Control E button. We will see the magic here. It's not happening here, then you can try the same magic in the next cell, right? Because the Malhotra was already there, so the sequence get manipulated. So we will try in the next cell by typing Mr. Sushant and again trying this. But before that, you have to delete all the data into the cell. Okay, by cleaning the cell, let's try again. In the second cell, we will write here Mr. Sushant, and by pressing Ctrl E, the flash will show the magic. It's prefixing all the names with Mr. Right? Now let's come to the another magical trick of flash fill. See here in this type of flash fill, I will just convert the first name into the uppercase. I will write here Siddharth in capital letters manually in the first cell. जैसे ही सिद्धार्थ टाइप करेंगे फर्स्ट सेल के अंदर आफ्टर प्रेसिंग कंट्रोल ई प्रेस करते ही फर्स्ट नेम जो भी होगा वो कैपिटल लेटर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, अपर केस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, राइट? तो लेट्स ट्राई द फर्स्ट नेम इन द लोअर केस में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए सिद्धार्थ को लोअर केस में मैन्युअली टाइप करेंगे एंड बाय प्रेसिंग द कंट्रोल ई प्रेस करते ही पूरा पूरा कॉलम लोअर केस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. नाउ see the proper case. For converting in the proper case, we will write here Siddharth Malhotra in the proper case, and using the Control E button, the flash will show the magic, and it will fill it with the first name and the last name in the proper case as you're seeing in the screen. All right. That's all for today. We will see the rest of the features of flash fill in the next video. I hope you have understood the flash fill. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. And those who are watching it for the first time, consider subscribing the channel. It's a today goodbye Hello everyone, welcome back to Computer Experts. In this video, we are going to see one interesting topic which is flash fill. Before starting the video flash fill, I would like to say you one thing. Those who are new to the channel, consider subscribing the channel. Before watching this video, you just don't forget to see the first part of this video. The link is given in the I button and the description box below. So let's start with my example which I've already created here. How to use the flash fill video part 1. I have already explained you how to extract the name, middle name, last name and the first name from the given text which is shown in the example. Alright, let's start today's video. In this we will see how to create a sentence using flash fill. So shortcut keys is Control E. We will write manually here the sentence which is Siddharth age is 35, right? So you can also use the flash fill option from the data tab. Click on the data tab and then near to data tools, data validation, you are able to find out one option which is flash fill. Let's find out. Now click on the data tab and then find out the flash fill option, or else you can type Control E from the keyboard and the entire record will get reflected here. Alright. Entire column will fill up with the corresponding sentences. Now I'll show you another example. Sometimes there is information like name, city, and the pin code are given, so we can extract the name, pin code, and place from by using the flash fill, right? So type here manually the name here like Siddharth and press the Control E, or go to the data tab and press the flash fill from there. So the entire column will fill up with the names. In the same way, we will can try the place. We can extract the place from the given information. We will type here manually Mumbai and और कंट्रोल ई बटन प्रेस करते ही होगा मैजिक दैट द एंटायर कॉलम जो भी होगा वो फिल हो जाएगा प्लेस के साथ ओके सो अब ट्राई करते हैं पिन कोड के साथ पिन कोड भी हम एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम द गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन सेम we will type here the pin code manually like it's here written okay now typing the manually press Control E or go to the data tab and find out the flash fill option or else just to use the Control E, okay, which is very fast, which performs the function very quickly. In this way, you can extract the pin code. Pin code extract कर सकते हो by using the Control E option. Alright, so let's switch over to the next example of flash fill. Here on the screen, you're able to see certain dates are there which are written consecutively in one column. So we can extract the day. So टाइप करेंगे हम मैनुअली 15 so we'll find out the corresponding day from the given date press the control E button and see the magic alright so अब मंथ भी एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं ऐसे ही type here the month from the given date manually by yourself from the keyword and then press control E and the month will be extracted from the given date okay so let's try with the year type here 1947 and then press Control E or go to the data tab. Now let's start another example of flash fill. Here, combine text of GSTN number and the state code in the PAN card are written here. Sometimes ऐसा एक होता है information जिसमें आपको state code and PAN card extract करना पड़ता है तो फिर करना ही क्या है flash fill use कर ही लेते हैं ना. Okay, so we'll write here manually the state code which is 25 in the example it's imaginary data don't get emotional with the data right so by pressing the control E the entire column will fill up with the state code now type here manually the PAN card which is written here write here manually the PAN card number and then by pressing the control E the entire column will fill up with the PAN card which is given here so I'm typing here manually keyboard से type करिए PAN card number as I've written here and then press Ctrl E from the keyboard or go to the data tab and press fresh fill option. The magic will happen and the entire column will fill up with the PAN number. In this way, you can finish your hours of work within seconds. I hope you have now understood how to use the flash fill option. And now don't forget to like the video, right? And those who are new to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel. This motivates me to create videos such as this. So That's all for today. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and good luck. Welcome back to Computer Experts. In this video series of Excel, today I'm going to tell you how to apply the filter in the Microsoft Excel. For this, you need have to open the Excel file. I've already created one. This is my Excel file. Okay, so I will tell you today how to apply the filters. For this, you have to go to the Data tab, and here you will be able to see the filter option. If you click on this, filters will disappear. Okay, so this is the data. If you want to apply the filter, just keep your cursor inside your data, anywhere in your data. Okay, then apply on this filter. Okay, you're able to see this little triangle. This is called the filters. Okay, and if you don't want this filter, if you want to remove it, then again press filter button. Okay, so this is the long cut. If you want the shortcut to apply the filters, then you have to just press Ctrl Shift L from the keyboard. And if you want to remove the filter, then again press the Ctrl Shift L from your keyboard. Okay, so let's start with the text data. Okay, and this text you're able to see the name. So first and foremost thing which you can do here is sorting of data. Okay, A to Z and Z to A. This is going to sort the data alphabetically in ascending order, A to Z. See here, all the names have been changed alphabetically in ascending order, A, G, K, S. Okay, so I want now this filter should be cleared out. Okay, so you have to just apply on this clear button. Okay, now all the filter has been cleared out. One thing you have to keep in your mind whenever you are applying the filter, don't forget to clear the filter if you are again applying the filter. Okay, so let's click on this drop down and again sort from Z to A. See here the first name is Alia, and then I click on this name Z to A, that is descending order of alphabetic. Then see here Rishika is on the top. It's in the descending order. Okay, so don't forget to clear out the filter. Clear the filter. Okay, again you can do the sorting by color also, or if you want only just one name, for example, you are wanting Kirti, then click on the Kirti and click on OK. Only the Kirti will be displayed here. So again, clear the filter. The whole data is displayed here. Okay. Again, any custom data you can type here also, instead of the checking, you can directly type in the search box of which is appearing in the filter of text box. Like I'm typing here Priya. Okay. So only the Priya will be displayed here. So I want this data to be copied to another sheet. For this, keep your cursor inside the data. Okay. Now press Control A, Control C for obviously copying. Okay. And go to the next sheet, and here you can paste your data. Okay. Data will be pasted to the location where your cursor is. Okay. In this way, you can copy paste your filter data. And now I'm clearing again this filter. The whole of the data is displayed here. Okay. So you have seen here the text filter. Now switch over to the numerical filter. You are able to see here the COGS and profit. COGS means cost of goods sold, or in the layman language, it's only the cost of the product. Okay. If I'm clicking on this, now you can do the same sorting from the smallest to largest as you have done in the text filter. It's from A to Z, it's smallest to longest. Okay, let's try this. See here it is numerically ascending order. Are you able to understand what I'm saying? It's in the numerical ascending order. You want from Z to A, that is sort from the largest to the smallest. Okay, now this is the largest numbers of our text 4065. Okay, again clear the data. If you again click on this, other options are also there. If you want to just want something number filters, this is the most important thing which you can do in filters. Like you want something equals, not equals, greater than, less than equal to, between, top 10, average. Okay, I just want below 2000. Not according to the data, I am just wanting things below 1200. Okay, so choose here option less than and type here 1200 and click on OK. See here the data which is here is every data which is displayed here is less than 1200. Okay, and now again clear the filter. Likewise in the text also you can do the same filtering. Equal, not equal to, begins with, ends with, contain, doesn't contain. Okay, let's try one that begins with. Okay, see here all the names are here like Olia, John, Sarika, Siddharth, everything. So I want one name to be starting with what? Starting with S. Okay, and then click on OK. Now all the names which are starting with S are displayed here. In this way, you can apply your filter on the text and the number. And now, as I've already told you, don't forget to clear the filter. Click on the clear filter button. And now come to the date option. Okay, this is the most interesting feature when you're applying filter in the Microsoft Excel. Okay, click on the date. Here it's the same as the text and the numeric data. Obviously, you can directly search for the year. Like I wanted here the year to be 2020. I don't think so. 2020 is here. Yeah, one entry is 2020 is there. Just click on OK. So here the entries of 2020 will be displayed here. Again, clear the filter and click on the drop down menu. Now click on the text filters of the date. Here also you can do apply these options which are displayed here, that is Equals, doesn't equal to, begins with, and contains and does not contain. Okay, so I want equals to what? Begins with. I want one thing begins with what? 2019. Okay, now data is beginning with the 2019 and then clear the filter. Okay, in this way you can apply the filters in your data. I hope you have understood all the things regarding the filter, how to copy the filter to the filter it to the next sheet. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for all the other videos in this Excel video series. Until then, goodbye and good luck. Me is signing off from Computer Express. Goodbye and good luck. Hello everyone, welcome back to Computer Experts. In this video, we are going to see how to apply the count blank function. आज की वीडियो में देख रहे हैं हम कि काउंट ब्लैंक फंक्शन अप्लाई करते कैसे हैं। उसके लिए आपके पास होना चाहिए एक एक्सेल फाइल और उसमें होना चाहिए कुछ डेटा जो हम ऑलरेडी क्रिएट करके रखेंगे फाइल के अंदर। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। अब आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं कुछ डेटा already on the screen. So here we are showing you how to apply the count blank function in Microsoft Excel. Now you're able to see the count blank formula on the screen. All right. So here it's showing you the result which you can verify manually from here. And in the new cell, I'm going to show you how to apply the formula. For this, press equal to count blank ब्रैकेट एंड सिलेक्ट द रेंज जिसमें से आपको फाइंड आउट करना है कि कितनी नंबर ऑफ सेल्स ब्लैंक है। ओके, देन ब्रैकेट क्लोज कर देंगे एंड देन प्रेस एंटर। ओके, अब स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है कि 5 सेल्स ब्लैंक है। लेट्स वेरीफाई इट। सो वी विल हाईलाइट द ब्लैंक सेल्स विद द येलो कलर। तो स्क्रीन पे जितनी ब्लैंक सेल्स उसको मैंने येलो कलर से हाईलाइट कर दिए। राइट, सो this is the fourth one and this is the fifth yellow cell. So that means the formula is correct. In this way you can apply the count blank function in your system, in your Excel file. That's all for today. Goodbye and good luck. Hello everyone, welcome back to Computer Experts. In this video I'm going to tell you how to operate the Excel with the keyboard. For this, first of all, open the Excel in your system. Type Excel in the search box and open the Excel. I'm having Excel 2019 in my laptop. Now click on blank workbook. This is the Excel screen when you're opening the Excel for the first time. There are certain options are there. Certain tabs are there like home, insert, page layout, as you are able to see here. So right here, right now we will be typing some of the text in the Excel sheet. For this, start typing. Let's type here computer experts. It's better than the best. And now I will change the font size of this text which I have entered here. For this, select the text, and now you have to press the Alt key from the keyboard. Right. When you press the Alt from the keyboard, then the certain highlighted keys are visible on the screen. So For home tab, like you have to press the H, right? Now press the H from keyboard and now see the corresponding key for font size, which is Fs. Press the Fs from the keyboard to change the font size of the text. And now type here manually from the keyboard, like I'm typing 35. Now the font size will change, right? And now I want to change the color of this text. For this, see the corresponding highlighted key by pressing the Alt and pressing the H, and after that, see here it's FC. Right, to change the color, the key is FC. Press FC from the keyboard, and now select the color, desired color which you want. Like here, I've done it red. And now you can take any other color which you wish. Again, do this, repeat the same keystrokes, which is H, FC. Alright, and now change the color to blue. And this way you can operate with the keyboard, right? You can also try some other options also over here. Press the Alt button and see the certain highlighted keys again. Now we want to use the insert option. For this, press the Alt N. After pressing the Alt N from the keyboard, the insert options are highlighted with certain keys. Now press the corresponding keys for inserting. For example, we want to insert here the symbols. For this, press ZS from the keyboard and press E again for inserting the equation. I have selected here this equation. You can select according to your desired one. Okay, now we'll try some other options also here. Now we will enter the word art and the Excel. For this, first of all, press the Alt N, then press ZP from the keyboard. After that, press W for the word art. And now here select the option which you want to use for the word art. Like I'm selecting some of these. Now type your desired text into the Excel screen straight away. It can be any of the text, any of the color. If you want to change it, you can also change the color. Hey, it's cool now. Yeah. So you can try your another border also. In this way, you can operate the Excel with the help of keyboard. And if you want to use another options, press the Alt button from your keyboard and see the corresponding keys highlighted, and you can use those keystrokes for operating on the Excel, right? I think it's a cool feature when you're not having the mouse and you have to walk with the keyboard, right? So I'm showing you another option of data validation. For this, press corresponding keys, press Alt from the keyboard, then press A, and then press V for validation, and again press V for validation, right? This will open the validation option on the screen. And now here you can use the validation option according to your desired need. In this way, you can use the Excel with the help of keyboard. I hope you have understood how to use the Excel with the help of keyboard, and if you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to press the like button, and those who are new to the channel, hey, don't forget to subscribe the channel and stay connected for the further videos of the channel. Working with a keyboard ensures to hide some of the keystrokes from your colleagues when you're working together, so that they may not know what you're doing on the screen. Of course, they will know it, but it's quite difficult for them to guess what you're doing, right? example, if you want to make the text italic, then press Alt from the keyboard, press H, and press 2 from the keyboard for making the text italic. And if you want to make it underline, then press 3, and also press the corresponding highlighted keys for performing the particular task. Alright, for double underline, you have to press 3. Now let's enter some of the numeric text in the Excel. Now I want to perform the auto sum. For this, you have to press the Alt button and then press the H and then press U for the auto sum, and for sum press S. Right. And if you want to calculate the average, then you have to press A. And now let's highlight the auto sum with some color. Now if you I want to calculate the average, then let's copy the text from the screen, paste it over here, and now I want to calculate the average of these numbers. For this, select the range. Alright, and now press the Alt H from the keyboard, and for order sum press U from the keyboard, and then again press A for the average. Now the average has been calculated to 30. Now we'll highlight it with red color. In this way you can operate the Excel with the help of keyboard. That's all for today. Me, Suman, signing off from Computer Experts. Those who are watching the Computer Experts for the first time, consider subscribing the channel. हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू कंप्यूटर एक्सपर्ट्स। आज की वीडियो में हम देखेंगे हाउ टू अप्लाई द काउंट इफ फंक्शन इन द माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल। For this, first of all, open the Excel file and type here the data on which you can apply the count if function, equal to count A, bracket start, and select first range, then press comma and select the another range जिस पे आप count if function apply करना चाहते हैं, then hit enter. Now you are able to see in the selected range 26 is the answer. In this way you can apply the count A function in your Excel file. That's all for today. Goodbye and good luck. हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू कंप्यूटर एक्सपर्ट्स। आज की वीडियो में हम देखेंगे हाउ टू अप्लाई द परमिट फंक्शन इन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल। फॉर दिस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ओपन द एक्सेल। आई एम हैविंग एक्सेल 2019 इन माय सिस्टम। सो आप कोई भी एक्सेल यूज़ कर सकते हैं जो भी आपके लैपटॉप में इंस्टॉल्ड है। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ओपन द एक्सेल एंड देन टाइप सम ऑफ द डेटा ओवर देयर। जैसे ही सारे डेटा टाइप कर लेंगे, उसके बाद हम देखेंगे परम्यूटेशन फंक्शन अप्लाई कैसे करते हैं। Now you are able to see some of the data on the screen. There are two numbers जिसके ऊपर आपको permit function अप्लाई करना है। For example, यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला टाइप करेंगे equal to permute bracket start, alright, then select the number, first number, okay, then press comma and select the another number जिस पे भी आपको permit function अप्लाई करना है, then close the bracket and hit enter, right। जैसे ही नंबर चेंज करेंगे फर्स्ट वाला, तो जहाँ पे फंक्शन अप्लाई किया था वो आंसर चेंज हो जाएगा आपका। जैसे ही सेकंड नंबर पे चेंज करेंगे तो देन ऑल्सो the formula will change and on the answer will change. Okay, एक बात आपको याद रखनी है, that first number should be greater than the second number. मतलब first number बड़ा होना चाहिए second number से जिस पे भी आप permute function apply कर रहे हैं, otherwise the formula will throw an error message, error show करेगा otherwise formula. Okay, in this way you can apply the permute function in Microsoft Excel. That's all for today. Hope you have enjoyed the video. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक इट एंड शेयर इट टू द फैमिली मेम्बर्स, colleagues and the juniors.